After Coldplay's successful concert in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that India has a massive scope for live concerts. The Prime Minister underscored India's vast potential as a destination for live concerts, referencing the success of Coldplay's recent performances in Mumbai as well as Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi said big artists from around the world are attracted towards India and that he expects the state and the private sector to focus on needed infrastructure and skills for such concerts and focus on the concert economy. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav too lauded the event's global benchmark in Ahmedabad, where there was a massive concert, while Gujarat Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi praised the state police and event organizers for the smooth logistics.
पिछले कुछ दिनों में आपने मुंबई और अहमदाबाद में हुए कोल्डप्ले कॉन्सर्ट की शानदार तस्वीरें देखी होगी। ये इस बात का प्रमाण है कि लाइव कॉन्सर्ट्स के लिए भारत में कितना स्कोप है। दुनिया के बड़े बड़े कलाकार, बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट भी भारत की तरफ आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। मेरा राज्यों से, प्राइवेट सेक्टर से आग्रह है कि कॉन्सर्ट इकोनॉमी के लिए जरूरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर फोकस करें।
Well, let's go across to Aishwarya now for more. And Aishwarya, it's interesting the Prime Minister focusing on, what is he referred to as the concert economy, the concert sector, given that in the last year we've had such big concerts, such big names internationally also come into India and concerts held in different parts. If we talk about Coldplay or Diljit Dosanjh's concerts, and the Prime Minister, they're also calling on the private sector to focus on building infrastructure, because internationally as well, we know, performers like Taylor Swift and Beyonce, their concerts too have boosted local economies.
Well, certainly, and many market experts have suggested that from 2023 to 2026, the market for India's live tickets events had grown to 17.6% from 88 billion to 143 billion. And India is the next big destination for the live musical events, and the success of recent concerts of world's biggest artists that involves Coldplay concert in Mumbai and Ahmedabad, which was one of the most successful concerts that we have seen in a recent while, and also artists like Diljit Dosanjh and others who came in last few years had a full house as far as the tickets selling are concerned. We also saw that how there had been many big events that are also lined up in the upcoming few months as well, and therefore the Prime Minister, while speaking in one of the events in Odisha, clearly suggested that how India will grow as and in the private sector as well, the economy for the live musical events. In fact, Mumbai and Ahmedabad Coldplay concert saw full house as far as Ahmedabad is concerned for both first night and second night. More than 111,000 viewers came in to watch that particular show. In fact, I was fortunate enough to even watch the first concert of Coldplay at Ahmedabad, and the way the organizers held the entire concert, it was very smooth. People praised it on social media as well, and the kind of happening that was organized as far as the smooth movement of traffic, and at the event venue there was a very smooth transition from entry gates to the concert, and while returning back as well there were smooth arrangements that was made. So clearly that had set a stage, and that got a lot of applaud from people across the country, from ministers to industrialists. All are praising the efforts that had been made, and therefore the reason perhaps the words of appreciation coming in directly from the Prime Minister will encourage the live music industry as well. And it has been stated that by 2026 this would be one of the biggest India will be one of the biggest destination for the live musical events and ticket events as far as the concerts are concerned. That will also attract a lot of world biggest artists globally.